Hello to our viewers. I'm very excited to be joining you today. I'm Hezekiel Lefopane, a civil legal practitioner with the Legal Aid Advice Line. Today we are discussing bogus colleges, what they are and how to check if ever the college is registered or not, where to report them, and how to claim if you are duped by the so-called bogus colleges. You can leave comments or questions regarding today's discussion below. So if you require any legal advice, you can call the Legal Aid Advice Line on this number, 0800-110-110, or you can send us, please call me on this number, 079-835-7179. So, we all know that private colleges must be registered with the Department of Higher Education and Training. And once the private college is registered, so the certificate will issue them with what we call a registration certificate. So the registration certificate must be displayed in the premises of the private colleges concerned in question. So this registration certificate will contain the following information. It will contain the details of the campus, the provider, and all the qualification offered by the college in question. So what you need to check is to whether the qualification is accredited or not. So we have to note that the qualifications must be accredited by the Higher Education Quality Committee of the Council for Higher Education. So you can check with them whether the qualification is registered or not. Another thing that you have to note is once the qualification is accredited, it must also be registered with the South African Quality Authority. So it's very imperative that before you register, you can check with them whether the qualification is registered or not. So to check whether the qualification is registered with the South African Qualification Authority, you can contact them on this number. It's 012-431-5000. So they will be more willing to assist in that regard. So another thing that you need to check, you have to check whether the college in question is registered. So to check whether it's registered, you can contact the Department of Higher Education and Training on their toll-free number. It's 0800-872-322. So they are always available to assist as well, so that you cannot fall victim of these bogus colleges. So with regard to the claiming part, if you want to claim you were duped by the private, so-called bogus colleges and you want to claim for refund, what you need to do is you'll have to inform the Department of Higher Education and Training. So once we inform them, what they will do, they will give you a written confirmation to confirm whether the college is registered or whether the qualification is registered or not. So once you are in receipt of the written confirmation, you'll have to approach the college concerned as to speak to the principal for refund. That's what you need to do. So if they refuse or they don't want to refund you, you still have an option. You can approach the court for assistance. Of course, it will depend whether the amount that you're claiming is it's more than 20,000 or less. If it's more than 20,000 or you can. If it's less than 20,000, I mean, you can still approach the small claims court for assistance. But if it's more than 20,000, you have options. You can utilize the services of your own private lawyer, or you can approach legal aid for assistance. So for legal aid, you can still contact us on this number. It's 0800 1110 1110. So for dispute that are on contractual agreement, you have an option as well. You can refer those disputes to the Office of the Consumer Affairs in your region, or you can refer the matter to the National Consumer Commission. So the contact details for National Consumer Commission is 012-761-3000. So you can contact them, but like I said, only if the dispute is on contractual agreement. So for refund, you can it will depend on the amount that you are claiming. If it's less than 20,000, you can approach the Small Claims Court and institute civil action then, or you can instruct your own private lawyer. If it's more than 20,000, contact us for assistance. So you also have an option. You can still report the matter to South African Police Service. You have that option as well. Or even if you don't do that, but the department, of course, will make sure that they lay criminal charges against the college, Bogus College in question. Okay. So thank you for joining us today. If you have further question, you can send a Facebook message, or you can, if you require legal advice, you can contact us on our toll-free number 0800 110 110, or you can send us a call back. We'll come back to you on this number 079 8357 179. Thank you.